Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 3 products for pimples. If you're someone who's struggling with acne or occasional breakouts, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you 3 effective products that can help you get clearer skin. Product 1. Benzoyl peroxide. The first product on our list is benzoyl peroxide. This ingredient is often used in acne treatments because it helps to reduce inflammation and kill the bacteria that cause pimples. It's available over the counter in various strengths, but it's best to start with a lower concentration, like 2.5%, to minimize potential side effects like dryness and irritation. To use benzoyl peroxide, you will want to apply a thin layer to the affected area after cleansing your skin. You can use it once or twice a day, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Just be sure to follow the instructions on the product label and be patient, as it can take a few weeks to see results. Product 2. Salicylic acid. The second product on our list is salicylic acid. This ingredient helps to unclog pores and exfoliate the skin, which can reduce the appearance of pimples. It's also available over the counter in various forms, such as cleansers, toners, and spot treatments. To use salicylic acid, you'll want to apply a small amount to the affected area after cleansing your skin. You can use it once or twice a day, depending on your skin's sensitivity. Just be careful not to overuse it, as it can cause dryness and irritation if used too frequently. Product 3. Retinoids. The third product on our list is retinoids. These are a type of vitamin A derivative that can help to reduce inflammation, unclog pores, and increase cell turnover, which can all be helpful in treating pimples. Some retinoids are available over the counter, but stronger prescription formulations are also available. To use retinoids, you'll want to apply a small amount to the affected area before bed, after cleansing your skin. Just be aware that retinoids can cause dryness and sun sensitivity, so it's important to follow a dermatologist's guidance on their use. So, those are my top 3 products for pimples. Benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, and retinoids are all effective ingredients that can help you get clearer skin. Just remember to be patient, consistent, and follow the instructions on the product label or your dermatologist's guidance. Thank you for watching, and I'll